How to set homepage on WordPress. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I will guide you on how you can set homepage on WordPress, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to set your homepage on WordPress, all you have to do is just go ahead and then open up your browser, then log into your WordPress admin panel. And basically you have different type of pages and you want to change any other page because by default this is the homepage you can see. And if I want to select any of the other page as my front page or my homepage, which means if I go to my website and then visit my site, this is basically my homepage, right? If I want to change what my homepage is, all I need to do is first of all go to appearance and then go to customize. Once I go to appearance and then select customize, you will see this, and on the left hand side you want to select homepage settings, and you can see homepage is currently set to home. If I want to change the homepage to any other page, such as when they go to my website, you can see all of the pages on my website. I can just select that page over here, and then that specific page is going to be set as my homepage, and then I just need to click on the publish button basically. And this is it on how you can set homepage on WordPress. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.